Pardon?
32nd question.
MCQ है सर.
Yes, sir.
In which MCQ did it? 30 we did, no? On that day.
Okay.
Last we did, I think, till 31, correct?
32.
32 we didn't did. That's वाला नहीं किया था. That's all. Person wants to have a drive on the vertical, that we have not done. A
Yes,
person
sir.
wants to drive on a vertical surface of large cylindrical vessel. On large cylindrical vessel. Cylindrical wooden ball, commonly known as death well in a circus. The radius of well is r. Coefficient of friction between tire and motorcycle is mu. Minimum speed that the motorcyclist must have in order to prevent the slipping should be. So motorcyclists, they performing horizontal circular motion. At point of contact, his weight is acting downward. Friction will be opposite to the direction of chance of fall. Because he is moving, he is applying action, which is normal reaction P, and m omega square r is centripetal force. So I can say at equilibrium, frictional force balances mg. Frictional force means mu into normal reaction balances mg. Now here this is normal reaction. So normal reaction is balancing m omega square r. Mu into m omega square r equals to mg. We want what is minimum speed. Because they have given speed, that means we want linear speed. So I'm writing this as m v square by r. M v square by r. From this v is r g upon mu in root. R g upon mu in root. That is option A. Completed now?
Yes.
Yeah. Can I clear this? 32?
Yes.
33. A bottle of soda water is grasped by neck and swing briskly in horizontal circle. Bubble will collect where? Bubbles are lighter than water. So bubble will get collected upward. Liquid will move downward. So it will be collected at neck, near the neck. A body moves along circular path of radius 50 meter and the coefficient of friction is 0.4. What should be the angular velocity? That means omega. If it is not to slip down, a body is moving along circular path. If it is not going to slip down, what should be the angular velocity in radian? So to not slip down, centrifugal force must be balanced by frictional force mu mg. So omega should be root of mu g upon r. Mu is 0.5, g they are telling take 9.8, r is 50 meter. Mu is 0.4. Now this I can write zero point 0.2 into 9.8 upon 25. That is same as 196 into 10 raised to minus 2 upon 25. So 14 upon 5 into 10 raised to minus 1. 4 into 5 into 2 is 10. 0.8 into 10 raised to minus 1. So 0.28. Option B. Done.
Yes, sir.
So number 35. When the road is dry and coefficient of friction is mu. So for dry road, coefficient of friction is mu. The maximum speed of the car is 10. If road becomes wet and mu becomes mu by 2, then what is maximum speed on the road? So we know for horizontal road, safe speed equals to root of mu rg. So v1 upon v2 will become root of mu1 upon mu2. 10 upon v2 will become mu upon mu by 2 into. Therefore 10 upon v2 equals to root 2. Therefore v2 is 10 upon root 2. Rationalize this. 10 root 2 upon 2. Therefore v2 equals to 5 root 2. Option A.
Done, sir.
What is it? An aeroplane is flying in the sky with uniform speed of 200, moves along vertical circle. Aeroplane is moving in a vertical circle of radius 400. Mass of pilot is velocity is 200. Radius of circular path is 400 meter. Mass of the pilot is 70 kg. The force exerted by the pilot at the highest point of the circle. Force exerted by the pilot on the seat at highest point. Highest point is this point. So pilot will be having his weight downward and he will be thrown upward due to centrifugal force mv square upon r. Force exerted on seat will be this upward force mv square upon r minus downward force. M is 70, V is 200 into 200 upon R 400 minus 70, V is 10. 200 into 2, 400 into 100. So it will be 7000 minus 700 equals to 630 Newton. 6300. 6300 Newton is option B. Same way if they ask downward, then it will be mv square upon r acting upward and seat is mg. So mg minus mv square upon r. Like if it is downward, so mg is downward minus upward force. This will be the net reaction. Mg minus mv square upon r. Bottom.
Done.
Mass of 10 kg is revolved in horizontal circle by means of string at an initial speed of 5 rpm. Keeping the radius constant, tension is quadrupled. Quadrupled means doubled. The tension in the string is quadrupled, then mu speed is how much? Mu speed is how much?
So quadruple means 4 times, right?
नहीं नहीं quadrupled means हाँ 4 times. 4 times. In horizontal circular motion. In horizontal circular motion, m omega square r is always constant. So m1, that is equals to tension. So T equals to m omega square r. T1 upon T2 will be omega 1 upon omega 2 square. So 4 times T1 is omega 1 5 upon omega 2 square. 1 upon 2 is 5 upon omega 2, which is 10 revolution per minute. 10 revolution per minute, option B. Done?
Yes, sir.
When car is moving around circular track, resultant of all the force on the car in an inertial frame. See, because frame is inertial and it is performing circular motion, then resultant of all the force should act towards the center, correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Because it is performing circular motion, so resultant of all the forces toward the center, acting away from center or zero. What will write? Net effect. Can you see the word inertial frame? What is meaning of inertial frame? Means no acceleration, correct? That means no force.
Yes.
So resultant should be zero, na? Mistake say will
Yes.
come inward, but frame is inertial. That means there should be no acceleration, no force. That means C. 13. A body of mass 100 gram is tied to one end of the string whose length is 1 meter. 100 gram means 10 raised to minus 1 kilogram, and is rotated with the other end with frequency of 35 revolution upon 44 seconds. In horizontal plane, then what is tension? In horizontal plane, tension is m omega square r. M is 10 raised to minus 1, omega is 2 pi into frequency 35 upon 44 square into r1. So 10 raised to minus 1, 2 into 22. This is pi 22 by 7. We are squaring. Okay, of course, we square into 1. 22 cancel, 7 into 5. So 25 into 10 raised to minus 1, which is 2.5 Newton. 2.5 Newton.
Done, sir.
Okay. 48. Calculate centripetal force acting on a body of mass 500 gram, which takes 11 seconds to cover one revolution. Calculate centripetal force means F. Acting on a body of mass 500 gram, which is 5 into 10 raised to minus 1 kilogram. It takes 11 seconds to complete one revolution means time period. Radius of the string is 0.49 meter. Centripetal force is m omega square r. Omega is 2 pi by time period square into r. 5 into 10 raised to minus 1. 2 into 12 by 7, 22 by 7. T is 11 into, this is 49 into 10 raised to minus 2. 11 into 2. So we get 5 into 10 raised to minus 1 into 2 into 2, 4, 4 square is 16 upon 49 into 49 into 10 raised to minus 5 into 6, 30, 5 and 3, 8 into 10 raised to minus 3. That will be 8 into 10 raised to minus 2. So 0.08 Newton.
Done, sir.
An important consequence of centrifugal force is that Earth, because it is rotating, all the particle here will be thrown outside from both sides, therefore it will become bulged. Earth appears flat at the pole and bulged at the equator because of this centrifugal force P. Flat here, bulged at this equator. A car of mass, important one, 1000 kg moves on a circular path with constant speed. That means it is UCM because speed is constant. It is turned by 90 after covering 628 meter. It is turned by 90 after covering distance of 628 meter. Then what is centripetal force? I know mass, I know velocity. If I can get radius, I can find centripetal force. S is r theta. Do you know this relation? Length of arc is radius into angle in radian. Or you can say 1/4 of circumference is 628. Both way we can do. Since length of arc is r theta, r I want, theta is 90 degree, which is pi by 2 radian. So r will be 6 to 8 into 2 upon 5, which is 3.14. 3.14 into 200. R is 400 meter. Centripetal force mv square by R. M is 1000. V square means 16 into 16 and R is 400. So two zeros we can cancel. 4 into 4 16 equals to 640 Newton. F 640 Newton. Option C.
Done, sir.
Next, question number 43. A particle of mass m describes circle of radius r. The centripetal acceleration is 4 upon r square centripetal. What will be the momentum? So momentum is mass into velocity. So from centripetal force we can write v square by r. Centripetal acceleration is 4 upon r square. That means v will become 2 upon root r. So linear momentum P is mass into velocity, mass into 2 upon root r. 2m upon root r, option. One more C simultaneously. 44. A ball of mass 0.25 kg. All are simple sum if you know formula. Attached to the string of length. String length of rotation is actually radius. Is moving in a horizontal circle. It will break if tension is more than 25. So this is actually maximum tension which it can withstand. Then what is maximum speed? V maximum is how much? T is m v square by r. T is 25. M is 25 into 10 raised to minus 2 into v square. 1.96 I can write 196 into 10 raised to minus 2. This will get cancelled. V square is 196. V equal to 14 meter per second. Option A. Now complete this to sum. दुकान पे सब एक को किसी को रहता है किसी को नहीं रहता है तेरे को क्या आता है मालूम है अपना जिम्मेदारी नहीं है हमेशा वैसे दूसरे का होता है Completed, na? 43, 44.
Yes.
45. Aryan Singh. Hello, Aryan Singh.
Yes, sir.
How many sums you have practiced of this chapter?
Sir, yesterday I could not practice, but before that I had practiced till 38.
But yesterday, what happened to you?
So I had my chemistry homework. So that's it.
You had chemistry homework,
Yes, sir.
and physics was not homework.
Sorry, sir.
And you had to solve this. That means what? It is told homework only, na? How can you say I had chemistry homework? So, physics homework is what? That is only time pass.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
All homeworks you have to do, whether it is chemistry, physics, bio. Next time, first lecture onwards, I will check out what homework you all have done, and then only will proceed with the lecture. Keeping the same angle of elevation. Keeping same angle of elevation means theta of banking is same in both the case. That means this angle theta is kept same. The maximum speed with which a vehicle can travel on the curve increases by 10%. So speed increases by 10% means becomes 110 upon 100 of original. By how much should the radius of curvature be changed? So new radius should be changed by how much? We change to. If initial radius is 20 meter, tan theta 1 is same as tan theta 2. So V1 square upon R1G is V2 square upon R2G. So V1 square upon R1 will become 110 upon 100 V1 square into 1 upon R2. 10 I can cancel. V1 square upon 20 equals to 1.1, that is 1.21 upon R2 V1 square. Therefore, R2 is 20 into 1.21. 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 1 2 0, 24.2 meter. So, same elevation means same angle of banking. Yes, how many sums you practice?
Sir, yesterday you told us to do homework 25 sums from the PDF you sent, and then yesterday I had done 1 to 20, right? So I did the rest, other 10 you did. You taught in the class.
No, see, 1 to 25 you all had done, correct?
Yes, sir.
So I cleared your doubts. Then I told
Hmm.
you complete till 50, है ना?
Huh.
So
Yes.
till 50 you have reached once.
No, sir. I've reached till 42.
That means 35 to I did in class.
Yes, sir.
Only 7 you did.
No, sir. I did 25 from that homework. In that.
Okay, I got it. 1 to 25 you did that.
Huh.
Okay, fine.
Done, sir.
Sum number 46. The maximum speed with which vehicle can negotiate a curved road which is banked at angle theta equals to tan inverse of 0.24. Maximum speed at that theta is 54 kilometer per hour, which is 54 into 5 upon 18, 18 into 3, 15 meter per second is the speed. If the same road is flat and vehicle has to negotiate the curve with the same maximum speed, the coefficient of friction between tire and the road is how much? See, this is very interesting sum, but only hardly no calculation. For banked road, we know V is root of Rg tan theta. And for unbanked road, we know that V is root of mu Rg. So if I compare, I get mu equals to tan theta. So tan theta is nothing but 0.24 is the requirement.
Done.
47. A rail line is banked with angle of 0.01 radian. Rail line is banked with angle of 0.01 radian. Height of outer edge over inner rail is how much? If distance between two rail is 1.5. See, which angle gives you ratio as opposite side upon adjacent side?
Sine.
Upon hypotenuse. Opposite upon hypotenuse. Sine, na?
Sine.
Sine theta is same as tan theta for smaller angle. Or we can write like this. Sine theta is h by L. Sine of 0.01 is h upon 1.5. But for smaller angle, do you know sine theta is same as theta?
Yes, sir.
So I can say 0.01 is h upon 1.5 since sine theta is approximately theta. So h will become 0.01 into 1.5. 15 after 3-digit decimal 1, 2, 3. 0.015 meter. Option C.
Done, sir.
A car is moving in circular horizontal track of radius 10 meter with constant speed of 10 meter per second. A plumb bob is suspended at the roof of light rod 1 meter with a light rod of 1 meter. The angle made by rod with the track will be how much? See, when vehicle takes turn, this will be thrown outward. So force acting will be mg, and this is tension T. T cos theta, T sin theta are two components. So T cos theta will balance mg, and T sin theta will provide necessary centripetal force, that is mv square by r. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So we get tan theta, the same formula, na? V square upon rg wala. V is 10 into 10. See, this radius don't take because this is not moving. ये vehicle के ऊपर है, वो curve लिया, तो इसका radius लेना है अपने को, curvature का, because ये वाला तो खाली turn हो गया, but body is moving in a circle whose radius is 10 meter. 10, G is also 10, so 1, theta is 45. Option C. Completed, then say, huh?
Done, sir.
Ayush, how many sums you did?
Sir, 1 to 25 and then 1 to 35
Achha.
from class of.
Okay. See, you all are at least try to practice na 50 MCQs. The day when you don't have any material, please tell me. Like Aryan Singh told me, send the material of potential from Pradeep. So I took the photograph and send it back. So suppose you are lagging behind or there is lack of material with you, please tell me every day. But try to make target of 50 every day, which will take at least 2.5 hours. A road is 8 meter wide. So if this is road, when you lift it, that this is 8 meter width of road, and then we take curvature. A road is 8 meter wide, radius of curvature is 40 meter. Outer edge above the lower edge is this height. This is theta. Is 1.2 meter. This road is suited for which velocity? So tan theta is v square upon rg. For smaller angle, sin theta is v square upon same as tan theta. Now this is nothing but h upon L equal to v square upon rg. So v will become h 1.2, L is 8 into r, curvature 40, g not given, I am taking 10, root of this. 0 cancel, 4 into 2, 8. Some mistake. Opposite side upon adjacent side is 1.8 upon L, v square upon rg, so hrg, rrhrg, okay. G will come in the numerator. hrg, that is 10 will come here. So 8 into 5 is 40. V becomes root of 1.2, 60. So either greater than, less than 60 or 60 is the answer. Can I take 8? 8 ka square will become 64. Can I take? Hello?
Yes, sir.
No, we can't. Na? It should be less than root 60. Na? Most suited for what? A is the answer. If you take 64, it will become greater, correct? Hello? So greater ले तो skewed हो जाएगा. So either what we got, root 60 or less than that चलेगा. Therefore correct option is A. Complete now.
Done, sir.
Fiftieth. What is total energy in vertical circular motion?
5/2.
mgr, correct. 5 by 2 mgr. And suppose we get velocity at bottom root of 5 gr. Will the body perform circular motion? Bottom velocity I get root 5 gr. Will it perform? Yes, will it perform circular motion?
Yes.
Yes. More than that? Still it
No.
will perform. Less than that it won't. So stone is tied to, stone of mass 1 kg is tied to light inextensible string of length 10 by 3. Is revolved in vertical circle of radius L in vertical plane. Ratio of maximum tension to minimum tension is 4. G is given 10. Then the speed of stone at the highest point will be. For minimum case, what is the speed at, what is tension at the top? If it is critical speed at every point?
0.
0, correct. But clear cut, you can see they have not given 0, they have given 1, 4 by 1. So it is not the condition of critical speed. Otherwise, directly I can take root of 5 gr at the bottom, root of gr at the top. So here you have to solve. If you take velocity at bottom as v, velocity at top as t, then t maximum is at the bottom, which will be mg plus m into velocity at bottom square upon r. And at the top, mg is downward. Outward throw will be m, velocity at top square r minus mg. This is the tension. Is 4 by 1. Throughout we can cancel m, m, m. So we can get answer v bottom square plus rg, v top square minus rg is 4 by 1. Okay, is much clear? Hello, is it clear till this?
Yes, sir.
So v bottom square plus rg will be 4 times v top square minus 4rg. So v bottom square minus 4 times v top square equals to minus 5rg. We are interested in top velocity or bottom? We want top, correct. Top means v at any point. So we know that v square equal to u square minus 2gh is our formula. Now v means velocity at top, I am writing vt square. U means velocity at bottom, which is v bottom square minus 2g, height is 2r. So wherever you see v bottom, you can write v top square plus 4gr is v bottom square. Please copy till this, then I'm substituting bottom value and final answer will get there.
Done, sir.
Done? See, tomorrow, can you attend extra lecture? Our actual slot is 12:30 to 1:30. Either after this or before this, possibility is there? Half an hour?
Yes, sir.
What you want? 12 to or 1:30 to 2? Huh? Hello?
So 12 to 1:30.
Acha, chalega. 12 to 1:30. Fine. Next. 51. 51. This you followed? No, option was A. 51. Again, important sum, because if you don't read carefully, you will do wrong. Weightless thrust can support tension up to 530. Up to means what? Maximum or minimum?
Maximum.
So in horizontal circle, where it is? At the top or at the bottom?
Bottom.
Everywhere horizontal circle में top bottom होगा. Same है ना? So ये हर जगह पे same tension होगा. But if it is vertical circle, तो ये bottom का होगा. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
तो बराबर ध्यान देना, vertical plane बोला है कि horizontal. Revolved in circular path of radius 2 meter in vertical plane. The mass is 0.5 kg. G is 10 meter per second square. Then what is the maximum angular speed? Okay. Since it is vertical circular motion, that means tension is not same everywhere. Maximum is at the bottom. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For vertical circular motion, maximum tension is at bottom. Aryan, can you tell what is maximum tension at bottom ka formula? M omega square R plus mg, na?
Yes, sir.
So 30 equals to M 0.5 omega square into 2. M is 0.5 into 10. So 30 equal to omega square plus 5. 25 equal to omega square, omega equal to 5. Okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's all for today. Tomorrow I will complete everything. That's why I wanted your half an hour extra.
Done, sir.
So that's all for today. We'll meet tomorrow at 12.